The healing song of the deep. Thinking shore. In the evening, waves break around the seaside cliffs near the university. Holding his notebook in his hand, John walks alone. He studied the ocean. At the university, he studied currents in the sea and ocean, as well as marine biology and the hidden connections that bind life beneath the waves. But he came here when his ideas were too vast for lecture halls. John sits on a weathered rock overlooking the ocean. He opens his notebook, sketches a jellyfish, then pauses. John, softly, to himself.
There's something more out there.
The wind lifts his hair. A distant melody seems to rise from the waves. John, writing.
Some beings don't just live in the ocean. They belong to it. They sing with it.
He closes his eyes. The sea breathes. And somewhere, far below, Octallo plays piano. Sunken ship. Octallo's music. In the quiet ocean, long ago, where a sunken ship lay still, a piano rested among coral and barnacles. Octallo, the many-armed musician, would play it each day, filling the sea with melodies that shimmered like stars. Octallo plays a song that calms the sea and its species, as well as those of land. Rebala twirls, releasing bubbles of light. Jello floats nearby, her hair glowing faintly. Jello, watching.
His music stills the mind. It's a gift to all who listen.
First ceremony. Pearl seat. One day, when Jello was still young, Jelio held a ceremony. Jelio.
Today, you shall sit upon the pearl seat, woven with healing pearls.
Light swirls around Jello. Her name echoes through the water, the sea rejoice. Shoreline. Mira. Above, on the land, John sat on his usual rock by the shore, watching the waves. John, to the villagers.
I've seen them beings of light and grace. They're healers, magical. When they sing, even the air feels different.
Mira.
Are the species of the ocean real?
John.
I'm a biological oceanographer. First study marine life, but these beings, they heal with light and song.
A soft melody drifts from the sea. Mira closes her eyes. Back in the sea, Raybala swam to Jelio. Jelio. Raybala.
Where are your next pearls?
Here, on my dress. They'll shine again for Jello's second ceremony.
Jelio, twirling in her gown. As the day approached, Octalo composed a new song. Gelio and Gelnora rehearsed their verses. Gelnora.
This song will carry her power to the shore.
Second ceremony. Blue Jelly Crown. The second ceremony was held in the deep ocean. Octalo plays a new tune. Gelio and Gelnora sing. Jello received her blue jelly crown, wand, and a sacred 5-line verse known only to her and Gelio. Gelio, softly.
The land is beautiful, too. Many there need healing. John brings people near the shore. They feel better just being near us.
Gelio, whispering.
You have now acquired all your powers. The beings of land and sea also require your healing abilities.
Shoreline. Healing. One day Jello wanted to test her abilities. She noticed a man
I
near
can heal
post
you.
who was not well. P. Jello, gently.
I can heal you.
She chanted the verse, her wand glows. The man's breath deepened. He felt well and thanked her. From then on, she healed many sea creatures and land dwellers alike. After each healing, she would cleanse herself in sacred waters.
She's a true healer now.
Ocean celebration. Raybala, beaming.
She brings balance to sea and shore.
Gelio. Octalo's music grew richer. P. Jello's healing powers grew stronger. And the ocean, once again, sang with joy. Raybala makes bubbles of light. Gelio and Gelnora sing. Octalo plays his piano. And so, the healer of the deep brought peace to sea and shore. Their light, song, and kindness forever remembered. Octalo and Jello. Octalo and Jello float side by side, glowing in the dark special powers of blue. The healing song continues. Beneath the waves, beyond the words. Moral. Even in the deepest waters, healing light can rise. When music and kindness meet, magic awakens.